Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fusion Cooking. Today we are going to make a simple breakfast pancake. In lockdown days, you can make this recipe because it uses very simple ingredients. So let's get into the ingredients that we require. We require 1 cup of wheat flour, we require 1 egg, around 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of milk, and vanilla essence. We'll be using 3 to 4 drops. So without further ado, let's get into the procedure. We'll be starting by breaking an egg and separating the egg white from the egg yolk. Well, while doing this, we need to make sure that there aren't any egg yolk particles in the egg white mixture, because we want to beat the egg whites and we don't want any egg yolk particles. Otherwise, the egg whites will not be so airy. After separating the egg white from the egg yolk, we are going to beat the egg whites. I'll be using a hand mixer to beat the egg whites into a fluffy egg white mixture. Well, if you don't have one, you can always use a hand whisk, but it's going to take a lot of time. Well, I will always recommend you to use a hand mixer. We need to beat it until we get soft peaks, and the mixture should be fluffy and airy. As you can see, the mixture is fluffy and airy. Now we'll be keeping it aside and we'll move on to the pancake mixture. We'll need a bowl and we'll add 1 cup of wheat flour, into it we'll be adding around 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We'll be adding around 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, the egg yolk that we separated, we'll mix it slightly so that everything is incorporated, and we'll be adding milk. Now here we need to remember that we need to add milk little by little, otherwise the pancake mixture will form lumps in it. If we add all at once, the pancake mixture will crumble and it will form lumps. So we need to add little by whisking it continuously. As you can see, the mixture is sticky. It's not that runny, but it's sticky. At this point of time, we'll be adding the airy fluffy egg whites. Now here, the folding technique is very much important. We are going to use the cut and fold technique. As you can see in the video that I'm doing, we are going to use that technique so that the air is still in the pancake mixture and it does not get evaporated. After it is incorporated, we are going to adjust the consistency by adding milk. Well, we need to have a pouring consistency. If your batter is not like that, feel free to add more milk. Now we'll be adding around 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence to remove that or reduce that eggy flavor. We'll be heating a pan, a non-stick pan, to medium to low flame, and we'll be pouring the pancake mixture. This pancake mixture should make around 5 to 6 small pancakes. Now, as you can see, there are pores in the upper surface of the pancake. It means that it's cooking properly and the temperature is perfect. After we get the pores, we are going to flip it to the other side. It takes approximately 45 to 1 minute to cook one side. And now we'll be keeping 1 minute on the other side, and then we'll be removing. After about 1 minute, we'll be removing it. Similarly, we are going to make all the pancakes. After this, we are going to plate it. we are going to plate it by stacking on one another. As I have done, we have stacked pancakes, and now I'm going to put butter for an extra flavor. Well, I'm also going to use honey for drizzling it. Now here you can use any syrup that you like. You can use maple syrup, you can even use chocolate syrup if you are fond of chocolate. Now let's take a honey tip.
J'ai baissé la vitre, rassuré la mif, j'ai changé de vie, Y'a rien qui est acquis, des fois t'es la bite.
Well, that was it for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll meet in another video. Thank you.